That's right, Princess. Over the next few hours, we'll embark on a journey filled with fun, camaraderie, learning, and healthy juice of competition. It's a celebration of talent, teamwork, and togetherness, as well as being family.
Before we officially begin, let us take this moment to remind everyone to show their school spirit before their peers and most importantly, enjoy any activity lined up today.
But don't forget, it's not just about winning. It's just about showcasing our strengths, learning from each other, and proving that we are ready to take on the future as empowered business leaders.
So let's make